gotta pull. Get it, it's stuck. Layla's got it in her mouth. You gotta get it from her. Get it from her, Ellie. Oh no, she's got it. Here, grab on. Get it from her. Run, Ellie, run. And Layla, you can't get it from me. I got it. Oh, your bed's not a safe place for it, Ellie. Yeah, she won't notice. Sneak up on her. Pull, Ellie, pull. Oh, pull as hard as you can. Oh, get leverage. That's good. Good idea. Oh, run, Ellie, run. You got it. Run. Oh, good throw. Oh, you gave it back to Layla. That was nice. Oh, you gotta chase Layla now, Ellie. Chase her. Pull your pants up. Pull hard, Ellie. Good job. Run. Don't wait for her. I'm glad your sissy is a heavy sleeper. Good throw. Uh-oh. And they said not to get a puppy. Oh, so vicious, Layla. You sound so vicious. Run! And this is what the last half hour at our house has been like. Hope you enjoyed.